What happens to your body when you keep using the same self-touch technique after 60? Did you know, studies show that more than 70% of men over 60 continue using the exact same sexual habits they've had for decades, often causing subtle but serious damage to their circulation, nerve sensitivity, and confidence. Before we dive in, hit like, share, and subscribe, and comment below your experiences or concerns about changes in sexual health after 60. Let's start this conversation openly. Introduction: the silent shift you never knew happened. What if the technique you've been using for 40 years is now quietly working against your body? Most older men never learn to adapt. They just continue what feels familiar, fast, firm, outcome-focused, aiming only for climax. But after 60, your body begins to change. If you don't change with it, what once felt good can now cause discomfort, frustration, and even long-term harm. Here's the truth: the wrong technique doesn't just feel less satisfying, it can damage blood flow, reduce nerve sensitivity, and even undermine your confidence more than you realize. Research confirms these changes. A 2019 study in the Journal of Sexual Medicine reported that vascular and nerve function gradually decline in men over 60, altering the way sexual stimuli are processed. This is biology, not dysfunction. Today, you're going to learn how to adapt your self-touch routine in a way that protects your body, respects age-related changes, enhances pleasure and overall health. Understanding what changes after 60. Many men feel confused or ashamed when their bodies no longer respond like they used to. Let's break down what actually changes. 1. Testosterone decline. Testosterone influences libido, mood, and sexual performance. After 60, levels typically drop by 1–2% per year. This doesn't erase desire, but it reduces spontaneity and can make arousal slower to build. 2. Circulation changes. Blood flow to the penis is crucial for erections. Aging small blood vessels lose elasticity, which can delay or weaken erections, especially during solo activity when the body isn't stimulated by a partner. 3. Nervous system slowing. Nerve endings become less responsive over time. Touch may feel muted and sensations can take longer to reach the brain. This isn't loss, it's a recalibration of your sensory system. 4. Skin sensitivity. The skin of the penis thins with age, making it more susceptible to irritation or micro-tears from old habits like tight gripping or dry stimulation. So what does this mean for you? Techniques that worked in your 20s, 30s, or even 50s may now be counterproductive. That's not your fault, it's biology, but updating your approach can restore enjoyment, safety, and confidence. Before we go further, take a moment to like, share, and subscribe, and comment if you've noticed these changes yourself. The 5 most common mistakes men over 60 make in self-touch. Through decades of clinical experience and patient interviews, 5 recurring patterns emerge. Mistake 1. Using the same grip strength. Many men continue using a tight grip. After 60, this can damage small vessels and desensitize nerves. Solution: loosen your grip. Focus on sensation rather than force. Try experimenting with gentle touches and varying hand pressure. Real-life example: a 65-year-old patient reported regaining pleasurable sensations after switching to a lighter grip for just 2 weeks. Mistake 2. Going too fast too soon. Rapid movements can overwhelm slower nervous systems, reducing pleasure. Solution: slow, rhythmic motions allow the brain to fully process touch. Think of it as tuning an old radio. Fine adjustments reveal the true signal. Mistake 3. Skipping lubrication. Many men think lube is only for partnered sex. As testosterone drops, natural moisture decreases, making dry friction risky. Solution: use a gentle, unscented water-based lubricant. Apply early to soften skin, prevent micro-tears, and enhance sensation. Mistake 4. Forcing climax. After 60, arousal comes in waves. Pushing too hard triggers stress hormones that suppress pleasure. Solution: focus on experience, not outcome. Enjoy satisfaction at any point. Pause and return later if needed. Mistake 5. Ignoring body signals. Automatic routines ignore subtle signals of discomfort or arousal. Solution: listen, adjust pressure, rhythm, or position based on feedback. Self-touch becomes a conversation with your body, not a performance. Step-by-step adapted technique after 60. Here's a modernized approach that maximizes pleasure, safety, and overall sexual health. Step 1. Choose your moment. Block 15-20 minutes free from interruptions. Stress and distractions reduce blood flow and pleasure. Step 2. Set the environment. Dim lighting, soft music, or warm ambience cues the brain to relax. Comfort is essential. Step 3. Breathe deeply. Take 5 slow breaths before touching anything. This lowers cortisol levels and signals your nervous system that it's safe. Step 4. Apply lubricant early. Lubrication should be the first step, not an afterthought. Spread gently across the genital area. This reduces friction, softens skin, and primes nerve endings. Step 5. Explore slowly. Begin with less sensitive areas. Experiment with different pressures, hand angles, and rhythms. Treat it like a massage, not a mechanical routine. Step 6. Pause when needed. Arousal may fade temporarily. This is normal. The goal is connection, not a finish line. Step 7. Continue breathing. Deep, rhythmic breathing enhances blood flow, relaxes muscles, and heightens sensation. Step 8. Adjust your position. Avoid hard chairs or hunched postures that compress pelvic nerves. Recline with support, lie on your side, or elevate your legs slightly. Simple adjustments can significantly improve sensation. Step 9. Optional tools. Soft warming sleeves, textured sleeves, or gentle devices can enhance experience safely. Think of them as adaptive tools like glasses or hearing aids. They support, not replace, your body's natural function. Mindset and emotional connection. Self-touch after 60 is more than physical, it's psychological and emotional. Let go of outdated expectations. Embrace slower, more mindful pleasure. Accept satisfaction without climax. Tune into body language signals rather than performance metrics. Research from the Journal of Aging and Health shows that men who practice mindful sexual routines report higher satisfaction and lower stress levels, even when physical changes occur. When to consult a doctor. Some changes are normal, but others may indicate an underlying issue. See a urologist if you notice. 1. Persistent pain or discomfort not relieved by lubrication. 2. Sudden or ongoing numbness. 3. Inability to get or maintain erections in private settings. 4. Emotional distress tied to self-touch. Even a short check-in can clarify normal aging versus medical concerns. Simple questions like, is this part of normal aging or should I be concerned? Open a productive conversation. Real-life examples and scientific evidence. A 68-year-old patient reported regaining pleasure by incorporating gentle grip and slow rhythm. Erections became stronger and confidence increased. A 2020 urology study found that older men who adjusted technique and used lubrication reduced microtears and penile discomfort by over 60%. Mindfulness-based sexual therapy has been shown to enhance arousal and satisfaction in men over 60. Journal of Sex Research, 2018. Conclusion: pleasure after 60 is possible and can be better. The message is clear: your body isn't broken, it's evolving. With awareness, patience, and adapted techniques, sexual pleasure can become more mindful, more satisfying, healthier for nerves, blood flow, and skin. Your body deserves evolution, not repetition. Loosen your grip, slow your pace, listen carefully, and let go of outdated definitions of success. Pleasure after 60 isn't about going back, it's about moving forward safely, intentionally, and enjoyably. Before you go, like, share, subscribe, and comment your experiences or challenges. Your voice can help other men understand that they're not alone. And here's a critical tip: even with the right technique, habitual self-touch can silently affect your prostate health. Most men don't realize it until it's too late. Stay tuned for the next video where we cover how self-touch impacts prostate health in men over 60 and what to do instead. Your body deserves the truth and the care that comes with it.